Hello and welcome, my name is Kelly and this is the Ali Earth channel. What I wanted to have a chat with you today was about Christmas wrap. So Christmas wrap, yes, it's a thing. We buy it in rolls, we don't know where it comes from. It's a lot of paper that we wrap up, we put our sticky plastic sticky tape on, and then after, on this particular day, we rip it off, throw it over our shoulder, and then fill up our wheelie bins of all that rubbish. So do we really need to do that? No. Yes, there is an alternative, and I'm really loving this Japanese technique of wrapping our gifts. So this is no sticky tape, it's just knotted on, but there is a bit of a technique, so I'm wanting to share that with you. I've got a few different ones here, and a few different have actually gone, I've done a few different sizes. So this is a nice squishy one, which you'll see what's in it very shortly. And you can actually do this without any sewing machine. All you need is some pinking shears and like a fat quarter of fabric. Now you can go. So if you want to have a look at how you can wrap your gifts in your fabric, let's check it out. So fabric, this fabric gift wrap, this one's actually for my niece and it's her birthday in December. So we luck out, save on postage and send her little birthday gift with her Christmas gift. So this birthday gift is a lunch wrap, which is all made from plastic bottles. So it's from Onya, and a Western Australian brand who make these out of recycled plastic bottles. That's what that is. So it just all, put your sandwich in here and wrap it up and Velcro that in nice and safely, and you can put a cute little message for your child. And this is just a little purse that I have made, and that is, it's really good for like a bus pass or just a small amount of cash and a little card maybe. Hopefully she'll like that. So on the angle, and it doesn't really matter, so this is actually a rectangle, well sort of, but it's not completely square if you check that. So that's not completely square, which is fine. So you pop it on the angle. Well, I'm gonna put that like that, and then put that straight. So your gift is straight for you, but this is the angle. I always try and hide my tag. I'm folding that under until we get that lined up, and then we'll just do this way the same. Just folding, I have like my finger here, folding this in and this in. If you need a little bit of help, and sometimes when you're first starting this, it is a little bit easier if you've just got a little clip. So you can use a hair clip or one of those clips that are in your stationery, and then just do the other one, and then fold it up. So you get a nice, well, I wouldn't say so much crisp with the quilting cotton, but you can actually have an iron next to you, which I have done, and just like crisp up those if you're wanting a crisper look, and then just simply knot it. So easy. So this fabric can be reused and reused and reused and gifted along, you know, a long way. So that's one cute little birthday gift going in her parcel. Now the other gift that we were going to give is a book. So just a book that we thought sounded interesting. And so we've just got a book. So same again on the angle, but your gift is parallel to you. So bring this over, fold it until it's good. We've got that. And then same again, fold this one back over, and you've got that nice and tidy in line there. Fold up here, and I'm actually just going to use the clip until I sort this side, this one and this one. Pull that up and you get a nice clean crisp line there. Pull this back over, same again, tie and tie. That's how simple it is. So if you have some fabric in your stash and you are wanting to make some really eco-friendly gift wrap that doesn't get thrown away and trashed in 5 seconds and can be reused and reused and rewashed and reused and stored. So this particular one's actually got ho-ho and jolly. It's very Christmassy. This one's just a random fabric that I need to use and thought would be nice for my niece. So that's that. This one here, that's actually very Christmassy. This is another birthday present. Now, I just wanted to give you, see, obviously these are books, so that's a bit easy. Now, let me just show you what I've got in here. So this is for my grandson. It's Bluey and Bingo, and anyone in Australia knows who these are. They're awesome. And it's the same again, same principle. So we put that on the angle, we're putting Bluey and Bingo in. I think I did it this way because these ones are not all rumpled. So one corner, I'm actually going to tuck him in. I'm not going to. That's it. And this one I will fold over to make a nice clean edge there. And we're just going to bring this side up and this side. I am going to use my little clip. And this side and this side. And I'll pull him up. And then pull him up too. And he's done. So adorably cute. So those pinking shoes, they'll actually save you from fray. You won't have any fray there. So that is as simple as that. Now we'll just give it a bit of a shake. And it's ready to go. So same old, put it on the angle. Put your little gift parallel to you. So I hope you love this technique and something that you can keep in your family for a long, long time. And actually you may even get it, you know, gifted back to you in coming years. Who's to know? And that would be, how wonderful would that be?